Cucumber water has mainly got the awareness of the wide public after the claims of models that it is especially beneficial for weight loss, but this wonderful drink can provide numerous other health benefits as well. The preparation of this drink is remarkably easy, as you only need to place a clean, unpeeled, chopped cucumber in 2 liters of water and leave it short in the fridge. This drink provides important health benefits, including detoxification. This drink is an effective detoxifying beverage that will efficiently eradicate the toxic buildup, as it is high in fiber and water. Chronic diseases. Cucumbers are high in antioxidants that will enhance brain function, prevent age-related diseases, reduce stress, and stop eye diseases, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. Heart. The American Association for Heart Health reported that heart disease is the major cause of death in the USA, yet, the water in this drink will reduce high blood pressure and thus reduce the risk of heart disease. Bones. Regardless of age, osteoporosis is a severe disease that leads to back pain and easier bone fractures. This drink will not treat this condition, but it can greatly strengthen your bones, as it is rich in vitamin K. Muscles. Cucumber water is plenty of essential nutrients that will be beneficial for the muscles. Also, if you want to broaden your muscles, you should drink at least 2 cups daily. Skin. Cucumbers are high in silicon, which is incredibly useful in the remedy of acne, so this drink will moisturize and soothe the skin. This drink is also high in antioxidants which will protect the skin and make it clear and glowing.